All right, so check this out. I'm gonna compare two of my channels. A video from one of my channels, this channel, the Gallagher channel, to a video and how much AdSense revenue it earned from another channel that's in a completely different niche. And I'll explain the differences here in a second, but you're probably gonna hurt some feelings here, gonna crush some dreams. But for starters, we're on the Gallagher channel. You see here for this video, 170,079 views. And I picked this video because it's similar in views to the other video I'm going to show you in the analytics here. But so you can see $429.52. So 170,000 views, $429. Well, let's go check out my other video on my other channel. All right, so here we are on another channel of mine in a different niche. I posted this video about a month ago, and it has 173,000 views, so a little bit more in terms of views, but look how much it made, $23.65. So again, almost the same amount of views, actually even more, a little bit more views than the other video from my Gallagher channel, where I made over $400. On this video, I only made $23. So again, we're gonna go over what niche this is in. So I've got multiple channels. This niche represents one of the lowest paying AdSense revenue niches, but I'm gonna share with you how you can still make plenty of money if that's your goal, no matter what niche you're in. In this video, I'm gonna let you know what niche this is in, so that you know what to expect if you're looking to get in that niche, or you're in that niche and you haven't made partner yet and you don't know how much you're gonna be making. You'll know here in a second. So a lot of interesting information going on in this video, so be sure to watch. So if you're interested in growing on YouTube, be sure to subscribe and set up notifications, because I share the same methods I used to grow multiple channels, as you can see, across various niches, and I'm always learning and sharing more. And if you just want all my secrets and tools, just check out the link in the description below to my full video series on YouTube, where you can just watch over my shoulder, copy me, and just do everything that I do. And you can even check out the results other YouTubers that are enrolled in that series are getting right here. All right, so now for the channel that I shared at the beginning of this video that had made very little per view when compared to even this channel, and that channel of mine is in the gaming niche. So all you gamers out there, be prepared to pump out a ton of videos and get a ton of views if you are just gonna rely on AdSense revenue. Because as you can see, you almost need like 18 or 20 times the views that I get just on this Gallagher channel to equal the same amount of AdSense revenue. So 18 to 20 times the amount of views to equal the same amount of views in terms of revenue on this channel. And out of all my channels, the gaming niche, that gaming channel I just showed you, has the lowest CPM, which means, again, the lowest amount of AdSense revenue received per every 1,000 views that I get. Now, yes, I do get a lot of views on that channel, but again, it's something to consider if you do struggle getting views. Now, that said, not all is lost if your dream was to be a full-time gaming YouTuber. Again, all that means is you need to pump out a lot more videos or get a lot more views. Or, and here's something I do on some of my channels, you can monetize your videos with affiliate or CPA offers. And in many cases, practically most cases for my channels, I actually earn more off affiliate and CPA offers than I do in AdSense revenue. And again, I covered this in depth in my YouTube video series. Again, that link is in the description, but I just wanted to touch on it here real quickly. If you're not familiar with affiliate products or CPA offers, you simply find these products or these offers through sites like ClickBank for digital type products, or even sites like Amazon for physical products. And then there's all sorts of CPA networks, and all CPA means is cost per acquisition or cost per action. And that's where you can actually earn revenue, get paid just for people that are willing to put in an email address and sometimes their name into these squeeze pages to get access to something. So basically, you partner up with these networks. And again, if you're in the gaming niche, they might have some type of game they can download for free. All they have to do is input their email and their name, and you can earn money just by sending them that lead, because then they're gonna down the road start advertising and sending them more offers that they'll actually have to pay to get. So it's worth it to them to give you some money to get these leads to them. And with affiliate offers, those are a little bit more simple in understanding, but basically you just get paid a commission for selling products through a special link you'll get through, again, ClickBank or Amazon. You'll get an affiliate link and then you just promote that link briefly in a video, maybe 10, 15, 20 seconds, and you can earn a commission. So imagine if you're getting around 170,000 views on your gaming videos, just like the one I just showed you at the beginning of this video, and you offered a gaming related digital product through ClickBank and you put an affiliate link in the description and you pointed people to that link. And let's say you would earn $20 per sale. Every time somebody went through that link and purchased whatever offer that is, you got 20 bucks. So just imagine, out of 170,000 people that viewed that video so far, since I posted it, if just a small percentage actually decided to click on that link and buy that product, how much income that could generate. Imagine if it was just 1%. One person out of every 100 that viewed that video that were interested in gaming, and again, I have this gaming related offer in the description and I point them to it. If just 1% bought it, that'd be 1,700 people buying that product, and then you can earn $20 per sale. So as you can imagine, that would be a large sum of money. And that's what I'm talking about in terms of monetizing your videos in addition to earning AdSense revenue once you do become a partner. But I just wanted to get this video out there and let people see how very different the AdSense revenue can be between niches. And again, because I have actually multiple channels in different niches, this is what the actual numbers are. And I also wanted to let you know that even though some niches earn less per 1,000 views than others, you can still generate a massive amount of revenue in the way I just described. So don't get too discouraged if you do become a YouTube partner and then discover that your niche doesn't generate very much AdSense revenue, because you can still monetize your videos as I just mentioned. And again, I might do a follow-up video to this one and show you one of the highest paying niches so you can see what that looks like in terms of AdSense revenue. So with that said, I'm gonna wrap this up and I will see you in the next video.